Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. All right, I have another wonderful book for you. Our recommended read for the week, and it's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This one is by Stephen Covey. Oh my God, this is a wonderful book, and this book is for anyone who wants to get the little golden nuggets that will help get to success quicker. Because the lessons in this book mostly for personal change. So he highlights things like being proactive. Are you proactive in your vision? He talks about things like beginning with the end in mind. Where are you going? And do you see that picture where you're going? So you start with the end in mind and start planning. He also talks about things like fast things fast. Yeah. Sometimes because of urgent situations, we misplace priorities and we put things that should be last in first place, which shouldn't be that way. He also talks about the win-win mentality, whereby if you're working on something, it doesn't mean that when you win, someone else has to lose. Not necessarily. You can have a transaction where there is a win-win situation. If you're a business owner, when you set a fair price, your customer wins because they're getting what they want at the price they can afford, and they go happy and change their life. And you win too because you've made a profit and your life is happy too. So it is a real change of mindset, which is awesome. He also mentions things like seek first to understand than to be understood. Oh my God. Isn't this a wonderful concept, right? Because sometimes we are so quick to misinterpret everyone and everything before we seek to understand. And he also talks about synergy and many other concepts. So this book will be such a highlight. I try to read it once a year because as I grow, when I reread most of these books, I have a different understanding in what the concepts mean and how to apply them. So our book for the week again is going to be The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I recommend you get it and start working through it. Also, if you want to win a free book, our contest is still going on. Take a picture of yourself with the book and a small paragraph under this comment, and the first person to post their picture with a small comment will get a free book from my reading list. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Teach someone something, anything as you learn these concepts, share them. Talk to you soon. Bye.